Listen, when you first start a business, it's really hard to build business credit, right? I'm not gonna hold you. Unless you know where to go and what steps to take, then you're going to be left in the dark. So, I'm here to shed some light on getting business credit rolling with a net 30 account through the CEO Creative. Okay, if you don't know what any of this means and what the CEO Creative is or net 30 account is, no worries, I got you. But before we get into all that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
My name is Devon, put in work Burke, the wealth builder himself for the Wealthbuilderz.com, and a co-owner of the Wealthbuilderz Solutions LLC. If you love content like this video and talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business, then go ahead, subscribe to the channel and like this video. So first, let's talk about what a net 30 account is. Okay, let's learn something today, right? I'm gonna learn you today. No, seriously, a net 30 account is when a company offers net 30 terms to its customers. It means they are extending credit by allowing the customer to make the payment within 30 days, hence the term net 30. After the purchase, okay, so this arrangement provides the buyer with a short-term line of credit, allowing them to receive the goods or services immediately and settle the payment at a later date. Net 30 accounts help new businesses establish credit and start to build a credit profile with business credit bureaus. Now that we know what a net 30 account is, let's talk about this site called the CEO Creative and how it can help you build business credit really fast. Okay, so the CEO Creative produces office supplies and branded apparel, as well as a range of other products, including fitness equipment. You can sign up for a net 30 business account directly on their website. Only those with at least 25% ownership of the business are authorized to complete this application. So remember that, okay? If you don't own, more than 25%, then you have no right? And you might as well just chuck it up. You might as well forget about it. Also, your business has to be in operation for at least 30 days or more. Okay, yeah, you can't just go get an LLC tomorrow and then go try to do a net 30, okay? You gotta be in business for at least 30 days. Please, don't try to play, all right? Now, there is an annual fee of $69 to sign up for the net 30 program, but at the end of the day, this is one of the best net 30 accounts to get started with to build your business credit, because they have so many options and so many things that you can purchase on your net 30 account that are, good for different reasons. If you're interested in this, click the link below, check it out today. Also, I have my link below to learn how to build business credit. It's a video series that goes more in depth on the steps you need to take to build your business credit and to start to expand your business. Until next time, Wealth Builders, it's the man, it's the myth, the Wealth Builder himself, signing off for the CEO Creative Review. What is a net 30 account? Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, and build more. Peace.